somebody would be me. Made an eye doctor's appointment for 9:15 this morning. I don't know why I did that.
Poor kid.
I wish I hadn't done that.
Yeah, but that's about the right time if Johnny was in school.
Yeah, I hear you. I got to follow up for the floater and my regular yearly eye appointment, so.
Right.
I'll see you in a bit.
All right. Well, Ruby's waiting for you.
She is?
Yeah,
just like a school morning?
Just like a school morning.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yep, there's Ruby. She's all ready to go. It's cool here this morning. We had that front come through last night. And it feels wonderful out here. Oh, there's my car waiting for me. She thinks I'm headed to the school though. No, actually, she plugged in that I'm going to the eye doctor. Wow, how did she know to do that? And she showed me my calendar without me having to do anything either. I have donned sunglasses on because my eyes are dilated and it's very bright and sunny today. Everything was fine at the eye doctor. My retina looks good. Their floater situation isn't any worse. I can still see them, but it's not too bad. And I did pick out a new pair of readers, yes, to wear on my nose down low all the time because that's just who I am. So that was kind of cool. The ones I've had for a long time, and they're really not strong enough anymore, actually, by quite a bit. So I should be able to really see things sharply once I get the new glasses. Took a picture with the vlogging camera of the new lenses, and the girl asked, "Oh, you have a real camera?" And I said, "Yeah, I vlog. I have a YouTube channel." And she goes, "Oh, I watch YouTubes all the time. What's your channel on?" And I said, "Life with the Tesla." And she goes, "Really?" And she was very intrigued, and she started asking a lot of questions. And you know me, I'm always happy to share information. And so I told her about leaving the air conditioner on in the summertime while you're in the store so the car stays cool. And I told her, you know, if you make a mistake in traffic, like you pull out in front of someone by accident or you're trying to merge on the interstate, that the car is so fast it really helps you out of tough spots you might find yourself in. And she was surprised to know that electric cars were faster than most ICE cars. So that thing that we take for granted, that folks know that you have this instant torque, this real get up and go, maybe the general population doesn't quite realize that. We talked a little bit about the cost of it, running an EV versus running a gas car. Quiet, no fumes, you know, the stuff that's true. And just said she'd come by and check out the channel, so that would be cool. I told her 0 risk to go, you know, test drive a car. The salesman in Raleigh, they're not going to pressure you. The no contact test drive means they're going to get your driver's license, but they're going to let you take out the car. I mean, obviously they're going to answer questions if you have them, but I think you know there's not a lot of pressure. If you want to go drive a car, they're going to let you take it and get to know it without you know, I think everybody ought to drive an electric car at least once, even if they're not in the market for a car at the present time, because you know, then you just kind of understand what the deal is once you've done that. So anyway, that was fun. That was a lot of fun. I miss talking to people about the car, you know, all the meetups and events that we would do. I miss not having gone up to the solar farm, NC4EE, and you know, talking to people. I really miss it. So, well, I guess I'm gonna head back home. It's 11ish, because I can't see a lot. So I think just getting myself to the house and inside, you know, our family room's not super bright. That's probably a good thing until my eyes get back to normal here. Dawn and I have been watching YouTube since I got back from the eye doctor, specifically the Google live stream today about their new products. So I haven't been waiting on some bricks to continue on with the set, but this hidden side Lego kit I put together, not exactly as they had it, but the way I wanted it. So I've got the Weeping Angel, and this kind of spins over here. And a spooky tree with the groundskeeper's tools in there for digging grave sites and, you know, mausoleum and stuff. So I just thought it kind of went good with my Haunted Mansion. I picked it up from Amazon because it was on clearance off of what it originally went for. And it had some spooky elements, and I just thought it would be nice. And then I realized that it was even better than I thought it was for what I was doing here. So pretty cool. But, you know, just easy work here this afternoon with this hidden side set. Goodness gracious.
Yeah, we got a lot of stuff today.
Yeah, well, it's subscribe and save time. Johnny's heading in to get his haircut. I say it's time for a little beach buggy racing. See, I have gotten better. I have. Yay! Mom's excited. We have school pictures Friday. It's a teacher work day, one kid at a time. Everyone masked but the child, long enough to take the picture. We'll be driving to Raleigh Friday morning for that. And so yeah, push come to shove. It was good to see our hairstylist, Miss Tracy, over here. She takes good care of Johnny. Hey there. Let's go for a walk and check on the mail. Come on, let's go. You too, Gray. Come on, guys, let's go. It's so nice out here. I just actually feel like walking the driveway. Don said he checked on the mail when, oh wow, the osmanthus, it smells so good. I love this thing. You can see the flowers, little tiny flowers. It smells heavenly. Don said he blew the driveway, which I can obviously tell that because it was pretty much full and the mail wasn't here yet. So I figured Gray and Tux could use some exercise, could use a driveway walk anyway. Don's in the garage making a custom filter for something. One of the air return vents, something to do with the heat pump. He's making his own filter, so he's sort of really into what he's doing to get it right and get it done. I've got ribs in the oven and I made hard-boiled deviled eggs, so should be yummy. There's my buddy getting his walk in. A little more subscribe and save, and it does look like maybe one package of Legos. So your J1772 to Tesla adapter came.
That's right. Yeah, this is Kyle.
Had one when he was here with the e-tron.
Yeah, and he says he uses to charge all his J1772 equipped cars using the Tesla high-powered wall connector. I've got to get something to cut the cable from.
Don wanted to make sure anybody that would show up with an EV could charge, even if they didn't have their own adapter. Hold it up a little higher. There you go.
So
yeah, make it a smiley face.
Yeah, this is the new improved one. This is like, let's call it the second company that makes them or something.
Yeah, we were having little power blips.
Yeah, it does a full 40 amps. And it has a little button that latches it to the Tesla wand, okay? And it has a nice snap cover. And look, this is actually
keeps you from losing stuff.
Like metal cable. This is not string. This is like wire rope, a small wire rope, and so that's going to stay there. And then of course the J1772, so nice rubber grip, a little springy, and of course it does that. And basically now anybody who comes to the house can charge if they have a Tesla and or another car. I looked into buying a J1772 charger.
Right.
I did, and I tried several times, and I lost the bids or whatever because I didn't really want to buy a new one. I didn't want to spend $400. So after seeing Kyle say this is working really well for him, this was only $200. So I felt like this was a better deal. Doesn't take as much storage space because I was going to have to deal with a cord and packaging. Yeah. So now I can just go hang this over there on our high-powered wall charger, and if somebody comes and wants to charge, we can just simply plug the high-powered wall charger into this, and they can charge at 40 amps. Now, of course, That's plenty. I mean, that's 7.5 kilowatts or 8 point something kilowatts.
Cool. I'll put a link in the video description with that J1772 adapter. It got here quick from Amazon, you know, typical 2-3 days prime shipping. So this is going to be a first. I've tested individual modules on the Haunted Mansion, but I haven't stacked it up yet. So I thought I'd share that with you. I'm very excited to see how it's going to look. So you can point down here now. So first floor has all the detail. I've shown this a good bit. That's got the white and the gray tiles with the red sort of outline. And I explained before that this is modular, which means that these pieces are meant to not permanently connect, but to fit one on top of the other. And that's why you see the flat area. I will get it. I don't know why I'm having a little trouble. Oh, I see now. Where that ladder comes in there is just, you really got to work to get it to, while it's meant to come apart, I'm having trouble now. That's giving me a little bit of, there we go. There we go. That's pretty good. All right. So it is meant to come apart, but it's not like, you're going to play with it and take it apart 10 times a day. But if you want to get in there and get to the bottom floor and change your furniture. All right, so that's 2 floors now. What are we thinking? 2, yeah. And then the 3rd floor doesn't have its roof yet, but here's the 3rd floor. And you can basically see that the 2 spiral staircases in this thing, they line up together. And the flat bottom of one is the flat bottom of the other. All right, and this goes over here, but we've got there's green bricks and the roof line. That's the part yet to do. And then this goes here. And then this goes here. And then there's more black roof up here, but that's how tall this thing is. Don was like, God, kitten, it's going to be like 2 feet tall. Is it 2 feet tall?
Easily 2.5. Yeah.
So I am on target to be done before JB gets here and get all my Lego stuff out of the way. I already know what I'm doing next.
Yeah, you'll be staying in this little haunted house, JB.
I already know what I'm going to do next, but I think I'm going to hold off until after JB leaves so we can see the floor of the family room. Don's been a good sport about me having my project everywhere, but I'm excited. So I did get one small Lego thing in the mail today. It was some of these L-shaped corners. There's none that are visible. They're all covered. But the corner brackets that hold the sides together. And that was awesome. But I did not get the green sloped pieces that I need to do this. So maybe tomorrow. They're coming from Virginia, so I'm hopeful about tomorrow. Fingers crossed.